Hello, welcome to Firecat Studios Design Thinking Quick Bites.
I'm Susan Price.
And I'm Tom Vaughn. We've been helping clients deliver better UX, website design, and digital strategy for more than 25 years.
I'm CEO of Firecat Studio. We provide user experience consulting to corporations, government agencies, military, education, financial services, and nonprofits at all sizes from Fortune 100 all the way to startups.
I've led user experience and marketing teams at companies like Amazon, Microsoft, USAA, and Deloitte Consulting. I specialize in helping clients exceed their goals through understanding customer needs and pain points. Through this series, we're going to help you understand how you can use the principles of design thinking in your organization to deliver websites and digital assets that customers actually want to use.
Let's get started.
For this first one, we're going to look at design thinking. Is it useful? We'll answer 3 questions today. What is design thinking? Why is it important? And who should do it? So what is design thinking?
Well, it's putting your users at the center of what it is you're building. We take their perspective. There are lots of different names for this. You could call it website experience design or customer experience design, human-centered design, user-centered design. And then there are new tactics being promoted these days, like design sprints or strategy sprints.
All of these share the same underlying methodology, these 5 points. Number 1, we empathize. Understand our users, their needs, their pain points. What do they actually want and are going to adopt? Number 2, we just put a bunch of ideas on the board. We get a diverse team together to think about how are we going to solve these challenges or make it a better experience, and then narrow it down to the best ones. Third, prototype. Create something that users can actually play with. Put it in front of users as part of a real test. Once we start testing with actual users, we see how our designs and our experiences perform. The goal is to validate our assumptions and improve as many of the pain points as we possibly can before putting it out into production. And then lastly, a key part of design thinking is to iterate. Either we improve on the designs that we've got, or we go back to the idea bank and we test the next best one.
But in every case, it's taking the user's perspective and then getting better and better at understanding that perspective. That's what design thinking is all about.
So why is design thinking important?
Well, it's not always important. Only in a system involving gnarly, opinionated, hinky human beings is it important. If you're trying to get human beings to do something, especially when you plan to have them change their behavior or have them adopt and use something new, design thinking is the fastest way to get to success.
And testing is so critical. We have to get all of our assumptions out on the table and test them with real users. Incorrect assumptions are a big part of why any design solution fails. The testing ensures that we're using data from our users to deliver products that they actually want to use and adopt. And we're validating with data, not just opinions or crossing their fingers and hoping that the team has figured out what's right.
Exactly. So these quick iterations, if we do them in the design stage early on, when we're sketches, when we haven't made that large investment in IT development, is way more cost effective because we only invest in the solutions that are driving the results that we want.
So who should do design thinking?
In our way of thinking, it's important that the entire product team embrace this user-centered approach. They need to have and resolve any debates in the approach to reach alignment, because in order to deliver a seamless experience, everybody needs to be on board. And it makes for a much stronger product team. They're all managing to the same success metrics.
And user feedback is always a critical tiebreaker whenever you're having debates, right? So it's critical that we test with real users and show their experience to the entire team, to key leaders, to make sure that we're using data, not just one person's opinion about how we think we should build it. So that's design thinking in a quick bite.
We're Firecat Studio. Let us know what you think and your experiences with design thinking. leave any questions or comments here with this video and we'll answer you. If you're interested in bringing design thinking workshops or co-design sessions or design sprints to your organization, we would love to help. Request a free consultation at firecatstudio.com. I'm Susan Price.
And I'm Tom Vaughn.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.
See you next time.